Well, baby, it's cold outside, and I am glad to be inside in front of the fireplace, putting together a really fun holiday centerpiece. I'm going to compose it from stem to stern. I'm making the vase itself kind of a faux bois woodland container, and then I'm going to fill it with gorgeous blooms and all sorts of cuttings, Nandina, greenery, some Arborvitae, all that I've just clipped from the garden. It's going to be spectacular, and I promise you guys are going to want to do it too. So let me show how easily it comes together. Well, I'm absolutely thrilled with the way it turned out, especially the container. I love this woodland tree trunk kind of aura that we've created. It looks beautiful now with these clippings from my garden and these beautiful white hydrangeas. It will be equally as beautiful next spring with more garden clippings and some spring blooms. So I hope you like it as much as I do, and more importantly, I hope you'll give it a try yourself.